Welcome back, everybody, to another rip of 605 sports cards. Today, the wife and I went to breakfast at Cracker Barrel, and while waiting for our table, I took a walk around the store and found about 30 packs of PRIZM 2021 sitting on the shelf. So I grab them, go to check out, found out they're 70% off, so I bought all 30 packs they had. So we got them for roughly $45 for 30 packs of these PRIZM cards. Could not pass that deal up. It almost felt like I was stealing, to be honest. So this is kind of a surprise rip. Wasn't planning on opening anything today, but since we found them for so cheap, we have to open them. So here we go. This is one box. I set away aside the other packs for later on video, but this is one of the full boxes they had. So let's get to ripping. It's gonna be fun to see last year's rookies again. There was such a good class, and I did not do much opening last year, so we're gonna be looking for those silvers, the cracked ice, and the black and white checkerboards. So first pack, not a whole lot to it. All base. Since we hope they got the full box here, we'll be finding some good stuff. So Michael Gallup, Devin White, and our first rookie is a Joe Tryon. Slow start so far. So we broke the seal with the first rookie. Hopefully that cracked ice and those checkerboards, we can hit some good ones, as I might have our first cracked ice on this. So let's see what we do. There's a Baker Mayfield with the Browns. Dallas Goedert, Houston Texans. Not a rookie, Jordan Atkins. So not what we're looking for with our cracked ice, but nice looking card. I did not open any of these last year. I just really got back into the hobby the last 3 or 4 months. So my first time ripping last year's PRIZM, as this year's just came out. So kind of a cool find for $1.50 a pack. So if you have Cracker Barrel around you, stop in their little store there and check it out. Because like I said, these are on clearance for 70% off. As long as some other sports cards they had, but these are the ones I really saw much value in. There's a Patrick Jones rookie. And they had a box and a little partial, so snagged them all for that price. Cameron Jordan. Leonard Williams. Walter Payton. Great player in his time. And we got a rookie of Javonte Williams. Probably our best rookie so far. See if we can hit those big names and quarterbacks. Since it was such a big quarterback class last year. As well, you got Jamar Chase to go after. And on top, we got a Rex Ryan. Tony Boselli, and Amir Smith Marset rookie. And for the price, it shouldn't be hard to make my money back. Hopefully this whole box isn't a dud. And we can get hopefully some good PC cards here. Chad Johnson. T. Higgins. And Tremaine Edmonds, so no rookies in that pack either. See if we can find at least our first silver and a checkerboard. And some of the quarterbacks from last year kind of fell off this year, but they're still young, have a chance to bounce back if we can find Mac Jones. Here's our first another rookie. Trey Nixon. Wrong Patriot we're looking for there. So far, The Cracker Barrel box has not treated us too well. But maybe it's saving the heat for the end here. So we got our first silver back there. Juju. Jacksonville Jaguars. Not a rookie, to James Robinson for the silver. So no big name rookies yet. Save the best for last, I hope. And there's a nice Josh Palmer rookie who's had himself a good year. Some nice receiver there. And I was surprised to see cards at the Cracker Barrel. Haven't been to one in probably 10 years and decided to go get breakfast and came home with football cards. And for a good price, so can't beat that. Tyler Boyd, Tyler Lockett, and a Tommy Tremble rookie. Man, these rookies are brutal so far. Looks like we're probably about halfway through the box. Nothing exciting yet. Drew Brees, Plexico Burris, Jordan Love. Oop, there was a nice Trey Lance on the new recruits. I'm sure he'll get a chance to prove himself again this year with Brock Purdy sidelined for a little while. It'll be interesting to do what they do with both of them back healthy. Good problem to have, I suppose, if they are both playing well. Will Disley and a Trey McKitty rookie. We need to find some more of them quarterbacks or some Jamar Chase rookies. He hasn't slowed down since he got in the league. And we're going to have a checkerboard back there. And a nice Dak Prescott. And Cleveland Browns rookie card. Greg Newsome II. So good looking checkerboard. It's pretty well centered, but not a player we're after. So missed on our silvers, our green ice, and the checkerboard. And so we have another silver back there. It is a rookie for the Lions. Man. Maybe people there knew what they're after. At least they were on sale. So can't complain about the price still. Still going to be fun to rip. Add to the collection. Eric Ebron. Marshall Lattimore. There's a nice Marshall Falk, my collector of his from when I was growing up. And a rookie of Elijah Mitchell. Jabril Pepper. Looks like it's going to be on top of this one. Another cracked ice back there. Let's see if we can pick it up. Terrell Davis, Hayden for Dallas. Looks like it's going to be a nice Brilliance cracked ice Dak Prescott. That is a cool card, and I'm a Cowboys collector, so I do not mind hanging on to that one for sure. Nice PC card. Very cool. That's nice. See if they can figure out how to win the big games this year. They have been good, but always seem to struggle when it counts. Chris Herndon. And another Trey Lance base rookie, so would have been a great box so far to open up last year with all the Trey Lances in it. So this one has been hiding here. Getting down to our last 5 packs, so need some more of them rookies to show up. TJ Watt, Devin McCourty, and we have a rookie. There we go. There's a nice Najee Harris rookie card. He didn't have himself a bad year. A little bit of ups and downs, but he played well. Another Cowboy. And there's another PC collector there. I'm a Husker fan as well, so I'll be hanging on to him. Jimmy Graham, and we have a Fireworks. Ooh, is that going to be Tom Brady? Awesome. That's a good looking card as well. A Tom Brady Fireworks. So just like I predicted, it's heating up in the end. I'll take these last few out. So 3 more packs. Still glad to see that Jamar Chase. Nick Chubb, and nice we get a silver of a good rookie. James Robinson, and a rookie of Christian Barmore. And we have a checkerboard, so let's make it a good one. If you guys are liking these rips and the content, be sure to hit that like button on the video and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more stuff to rip, and hopefully we can find some more good surprises like these to make these little unscheduled ones. There's going to be Zach Wilson. Nope, not a rookie. Corey Davis on the checkerboard. And we'll see if that Brett Favre deal gets finished. And he does go to the Jets. These checkerboards have pretty good centering, all the ones I've seen so far. And I thought last year had a lot of issues, but I have not noticed it on these. At least the cards I spent time looking at. Alright, final pack. Nothing fancy, so hopefully we just get a nice rookie. Deuce McAllister, Blake Martinez, Leonard Floyd. And our rookie is nothing special. So that will do it for our box. Like I said, I have a few or 5 or so more packs stored away for a future rip. But let's go through and see how we did. I mean, I'm pretty sure we can make our money back on $30 box, $35 box. So we had nice Fireworks Tom Brady, who's now retired. A rookie Trey Lance base. A nice Brilliance Green Ice Dak Prescott. Another Trey Lance on the new recruits. And a couple checkerboards here. We have Greg Newsome II rookie card and a Corey Davis. Najee Harris rookie. And a silver Penei Sewell. So that'll do it for this rip. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.